Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. Today I will demonstrate Downtime, which records when and why Workcenters are not available for production. This allows the scheduler to make adjustments and keep records for analysis. Begin by navigating to Logistics and choosing Downtime, and then selecting Downtime from the drop-down menu. Click Add and enter the Workcenter that is not available. Enter a short description of the problem. Enter the time and date the Workcenter became unavailable. For the scheduler to make adjustments, it is important to enter when the Workcenter is expected to return to service. When the record is saved, an estimate of the time that will be lost is made. When the Workcenter returns to service, return to the record and record the time and date it re-entered production. The next time the scheduler is run, it will place the Workcenter back in service. The actual time that was lost is calculated and displayed. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.